this new from Wellead, new access sheet, is the first time in Europe, and maybe one of the first time in the world. Why? Because if you can see, this is an access sheet that could realize something that we dream. So look to this one, please, and look to this access sheet, okay? This is very clear. This is access sheet like normal, but we can make, for the first time, we can make this movement with the access sheet. What means that we can have an active deflection with an access sheet. First time in Europe, I think first time in the world, because the company informed me about this. So nowadays, it's possible with this tool to go to inferior calyx and with one deflection, active deflection, and from this to go to secondary inferior calyx with active deflection of the ureteroscopes. So 2 deflection actions. This is a dream. Now you can put online, on internet, a real dream that we have now in our hands. Double active deflection, one with access sheet and the second one with the ureteroscope, flexible ureteroscope.